Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Edge 530 navigation. First, power on your device by holding the power button for a few seconds. Once it's on, you'll see the main menu. From here, you can access various features. To begin navigating, select the navigation option. This will take you to the map screen, where you can see your current position and surrounding area. We'll cover setting up a route next. Now, let's talk about getting routes onto your Edge 530. You can create a new route directly on the device by selecting Course and then Create New. Alternatively, many users prefer to plan routes on platforms like Garmin Connect or Strava and then wirelessly sync them. This allows for more detailed planning, including elevation profiles and custom waypoints. Once synced, your device will store these routes, ready for your next adventure. With a course loaded, it's time to ride. From the navigation menu, select courses and choose the route you want to follow. Press Ride to begin. Your Edge 530 will provide clear turn-by-turn directions, often with a chime or vibration as you approach a turn. The map screen will show your position relative to the course line, helping you stay on track. If you deviate, the device will alert you and guide you back. Beyond basic navigation, the Edge 530 offers powerful advanced features. If you get lost or want to return, Back to Start can guide you. If you miss a turn, the device can automatically recalculate your route. You can also customize your data fields to display metrics like speed, distance, and heart rate alongside your map. For challenging rides, Climb Pro provides detailed information about upcoming climbs, showing gradient and remaining distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.